First thing what we have to do is chop the onion. What we start right away with the garlic. So chop onion. Here in this part, for this amount, I put 3 onions, few cloves of garlic, and a little bit parsley, all together with a little bit of sea salt from stone, some fresh pepper, and lots of olive oil, extra virgin. The pot has to be covered. The bottom of the pot has to be covered with olive oil. Okay. Then we put this to saute until onion get dark. In the meantime, I have to cover this to make sure that saute even. Now this is tomatoes, sharp tomatoes. What we are going in this same the sauce. But before we do anything with the fish, we have to cut the fish in pieces. And I have a special knife for this. So. To do because this bone is very hard, it's big. In English, I think this is eel fish, right? How they call it. One has fish we cut dish in small pieces. It's easier to cook and also to serve. This is actually best to do all Mediterranean cooking. When you have this, you can cook in this shrimps, you can cook lobster, you can cook fish, meat, anything. So olive oil, onion, garlic, parsley, and tomatoes, salt and pepper. Now get to saute this thing on. It's hard cooking. Cooking is a hard business. For all these ingredients to combine together, smash them together. And I'm gonna add some red pepper in also for the taste and color. Our Croatian Mediterranean food is not spicy like other kitchen around Mediterranean. So we don't use hot pepper and all this interesting hot stuff. But we use tomato paste to make a sauce thicker, and we use also red wine vinegar for the fish to not get cooked fast, and also they don't get ripped up fast. Add a little bit water. And now we have the fish. The red wine vinegar to make for fish to stay compact. And when it's done, we serve this with polenta, but I'm gonna make very soon.